The 2025 BMW M7 has arrived as the ultimate expression of performance luxury, combining the flagship status of the 7 Series with the raw power and engineering precision of the M division. For years, enthusiasts speculated about whether BMW would ever create a true M7, and now the vision has become reality. This machine is designed to satisfy those who demand uncompromising luxury without sacrificing exhilarating performance, a blend that sets it apart from any other vehicle in its class. At first glance, the design of the 2025 BMW M7 makes an immediate impression. The bold kidney grille has been reimagined with M-specific detailing, aggressive air intakes, and sleek lines that exude both power and elegance. The sculpted hood flows into muscular shoulders, while the low stance and aerodynamic bodywork communicate speed even at a standstill. Adaptive LED headlights with laser technology not only provide exceptional visibility, but also add to the futuristic look. The overall silhouette balances the sophisticated identity of the 7 Series with the assertive touches that are unmistakably under the hood lies the heart of the M7, a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine, fine-tuned by BMW M engineers to deliver breathtaking performance. Producing over 650 horsepower, it rockets the sedan from 0 to 60 mph in just over 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans on the market. Power is distributed through BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring stability and traction in all driving conditions. Paired with an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, the shifts are lightning fast, whether cruising smoothly or pushing the car to its limits on the open road. Performance goes beyond raw speed. The 2025 BMW M7 features adaptive suspension, active roll stabilization, and precision steering that provide an engaging driving experience despite its size. The car adapts seamlessly from a comfortable luxury cruiser to a corner-carving powerhouse at the push of a button. Drivers can select from multiple driving modes, tailoring the car's dynamics to their preference, from smooth and efficient to aggressively sporty. Carbon ceramic brakes ensure that stopping power matches the car's thrilling acceleration, providing complete confidence at high speeds. Inside, the M7 offers a cabin that is as luxurious as it is technologically advanced. Premium materials such as merino leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting create a first-class environment. The curved digital display integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment system, offering a futuristic yet user-friendly interface. BMW's iDrive 9 system supports advanced connectivity, voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Rear seat passengers are treated to executive lounge seating, complete with entertainment screens, climate control, and comfort features that rival private jets. Safety and technology go hand in hand in the 2025 M7. Advanced driver assistance systems, including autonomous driving features, lane-keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking, ensure peace of mind. The integration of AI-driven predictive technology allows the car to learn driving habits and adjust settings automatically for maximum comfort and performance. The 2025 BMW M7 is not just another luxury sedan. It is a bold statement from BMW that ultimate luxury and ultimate performance can coexist in one extraordinary package. It redefines expectations, offering a driving experience that is as thrilling behind the wheel as it is relaxing in the back seat, making it the perfect blend for those who refuse to compromise.